Hi everybody, I'm here with Go Tours Canada at Ontario Place. Today we are receiving our shipping container so that we can start running our Segway tours once again back at Ontario Place. So let's see how we get this shipping container in here. So this is where the shipping container will live for the summer, right next to the water. All right, so there it is everybody. There's the shipping container. That's home for the next several months. Gotta let all these nice people by. Nice. And you thought parallel parking was bad. All right, we have touchdown. The tricky thing right now is that he needs to try and get these back corners to be parallel like this. But right now they're angled like this. Look at the back wheels of the truck right now. They've actually lifted off the ground. The chains right here are pulling just the one side to line up so that this becomes more parallel. Oh, nice. Almost there. We got the forklift over here, which might come in handy. Boom, there you have it. We didn't even need the forklift after all. Did it all with the truck. And there you have it. This is our home for the summer here at Ontario Place. Come visit us, look for the shipping container, and we're gonna go on an awesome tour together. Thanks so much for watching the video. Click like if you like it, click subscribe if you really liked it. We'll see you out on the trail.